up, YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan Some Espresso Bar, and today, as you may have noticed from the thumbnail, we are dialing in some Good Brothers coffee. If you guys have not heard of them, they are micro roasters, and they are absolutely delicious. They have a roasted on date, and what a micro roaster means is when you pick your order and you customize your order from their website, they roast it that day and ship it off to you. Absolutely great company. Again, I want to give a shout out to Good Brothers Coffee for sending me these beans, and I am going to do an honest review for you guys today. This is their espresso blend. It is sweet, smooth, and creamy tasting notes. So extremely excited to try this out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dial in these shots. Let's go. That shot was extremely fast, and I'll show you guys the crema. So the crema looks pretty good. The shot came out in 9 seconds, and I got 38 grams out. So yeah, you're not gonna want to drink that. That's really bad. So we're gonna go ahead and dial it in a little bit more. So right now we are on setting number 19 for the niche grinder. We are going to dial that down to about grind setting number 16 and see if we can't slow down that extraction a little bit more, because like I said, we just pulled 37 grams in 9 seconds. So we want that range to be around 22 to about 28 seconds for that perfect shot of espresso. So let's get back to the drawing board and let's go. So we just pulled about 39 grams in about 25 seconds. So that shot was absolutely beautiful. I would say we are dialed in pretty good there. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a swirl, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little taste test. That is definitely enjoyable. We are going to now finish this off with some nice froth milk, and I'm gonna put you guys in the overhead so that way you guys can see my technique when steaming for latte art. Enjoy. All right, let's get it. So you guys just watched me make some latte art. The latte art wasn't the greatest that I've ever done. However, everyone makes mistakes. You're never gonna be perfect. And if you are perfect, you will mess up here and there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give it a taste test right before we end this video. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. Again, this is dialing in Good Brothers Coffee espresso blend with the tasting notes of sweet, smooth, and creamy. Definitely want to give a shout out again. If you guys are interested in purchasing Good Brothers Coffee, make sure you use code Dylan at checkout. Saves you 20% off. These are absolutely amazing. I have been absolutely impressed with these beans. So definitely go give them a check. Just in case any of you were still wondering out there on how to dial in your espresso beans, make sure that if the flow is too fast, you have to make your grinds finer to slow that flow down. If your flow is too slow and you're dripping or you're not getting that desired time because it's too slow, make sure you go coarser to allow that water to flow through a little faster. You want to make sure that you're staying as consistent as possible, because not only does grind size matter, but so does the preparation of the puck, meaning the distribution and also the tamping. So make sure you're flushing out your machines before you go to pull that shot. Ensure that you are getting the best, most consistent shot as possible. So as always, Dylan with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and I thank you for watching my dialing in of Good Brothers Coffee. Until next time, peace.